Bird and Kip, Episode 67, Running. Kip picked up his beach towel. He went outside.
Good morning, Bird,
Said Kip.
I'm going to the beach. Do you want to come?
I can't go now.
Said Bird.
I'm going to look for worms. I'll meet you at the beach later.
Okay,
Said Kip.
I'll see you later.
Kip went down the tree. He headed toward the beach. A woman ran by. Then a man ran by. A few more people ran by. Kip started to run too.
This is fun.
He thought.
I like running.
Kip almost ran into a man. The man was carrying a small sign. He put the sign in the grass. Kip read the sign.
Big race tomorrow morning. All runners are welcome.
Kip gasped.
A big race! That sounds like fun!